Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, children. I think all are very fine. And all the children are very safe and sound in their homes. I feel very happy to join this lesson again. And today I need to explain about a few words about the first lesson in the biology. The first lesson belongs to what is science, right? So in this lesson we are learning about first of all what is science and their importance and how the science is coming from. What is the origin, what is the purpose of science is based on. All these things are discussed in this first lesson. So first of all, I am directly going to the first lesson, what is science. So in this lesson, the science is the organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentation. I will explain this main point. The entire lesson is based on this main theme. Here, the science is the organized study. What is meant by organized study? The organized study means that is the questioning. Organized means why. Why science is necessary? See, from the previous years, we can see that Newton. Isaac Newton is the greatest scientist. He can observe one day he can step on the tree of the afternoon session, suddenly falling of the one apple. Then he wake up very quickly and thinking about why apple is falling from the tree. So from that based on the science is coming and he is explaining the number of theories based on this apple falling on the floor. So here in this science, the science is explaining about questioning. What is based on the questioning and what is the interaction between the science and questioning? Questioning means why it is happened. When the person is moving on the cycle, how it will go, and so many things. How the light is lit on the room, so many things are we can see on the mainly based on the science. The science is always explaining about the basically thinking. The thinking and the second point is belongs to analyzing. Now what is meant by analyzing? The analyzing means why it is happened and what is the reasons. And thereafter based on what is the reasons, why it is happened, all these things are gives the directly credit goes to the science. The science is the main key is belongs to these 2 points. The first one is belongs to questioning. The questioning means why it is happened. The next is the answer is try to giving the answer is analyzing. How can we analyze it? For example, on the previous days, Isaac Newton is thinking about the apple is fallen from the ground. Later on, he can come to the conclusion that some of the gravitational force is there. The gravitational force is there. Based on this gravitational force, the apple will fall down on the ground. From the basic theory, he can invented number of theorems and number of experimentation. So on this base, the science is what is science means? The science is the organized study of based on experimentation. The organized study means whatever the questions you can select yourself, but the answer is based on experimentation. All the science topics are belongs to the experimentation. What is meant by experimentation? For example, we can check the 2 small examples. Take one small plastic vessel and we can pour it some water. And later we can take this is the first glass jar or plastic jar. Then we can take another jar. This is the jar number 2 filled with some of the crystals of sugar or sugar crystals. Then we can see that some differentiation is there. This is the purified water. The next one is belongs to, after adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, it will be melt of the second vessel and it will give some sweet taste. So all these things are same, but particularly when we are adding some chemicals or when we are adding some salt, the nature of the water will be changed or the nature of the chemical is changed. These all things are belongs to the science. That is called experimentation. That is called experimentation. And we can see the another two examples. For example, if you are planted two plants, if you are planted, you can take the potted plant and this is the seeds. Some seeds are there. We can take the pea seeds. We know that the pea seeds are there, and we can take the another type of seeds. For example, banana seeds. Banana seeds. So when we are taking these two potted contents of with mud, then we take that seeds, observation of the seeds. Sometimes it will be grow. Sometimes it will be grow. Sometimes it may not be grow. Why? Based on the soil. Based on the soil and the chemical nature of the soil and nature of the water facilities and nature of the atmospheric conditions. All these things are, the two examples are given to the how the experimentally developed, how the successfully grown the plants, how it is differentiated between either banana, how can it will be grown, either pea, how can it will be grown. All these things are belongs to the experimentation. These are the main basic experimentally prove that science is based on experimentally. So this is the small examples related with the science. Then why science is important? Nowadays science is technologically, computerally and genetically it will give so much of large number of theorems are coming and the technology will be improved in the 19th to 2020. Now the days are decade, this decade is called as scientific decade. Why we are called the scientific decade means in this era we can see the number of cell phones are there, number of gadgets, electronic gadgets are there based on the science. So all these things are belongs to the science. Then what is the importance of the societal perspective? The societal perspective means what is the meant by societal perspective? The societal perspective means society. The society means it is belongs to the all the human nature, all the families. That means how science is useful for the families. For example, in the previous years we have no fans, we have no bulbs. On the day they are facing so much of problems. But now we are enjoying with the ACs and so much of electronic gadgets. Why it is happening? The science, whenever the science is developed, automatically the human life will be goes very easier and also we feel very luxurious. So on that way, the science is always affected to the societal perspective. It is always useful for the entire the world people and the families and the surviving of so many diseases. Like when we are, for example, when the previous years we don't have about the penicillin injection. In the 1990s, so many people are afraid about so many diseases. On these days, there is no medicines. But nowadays, penicillin is the very powerful antibiotic. Right now, it is invented by one of the greatest scientists, Alexander Fleming is there, and some of the greatest, Dr. Yellowbroda Subbarao. He is the famous scientist belongs to the Bhimavaram town. So many people don't know. I know that some of the people will know, but he will first of the when he is studying to the England and he invented the tablet name is called tetracycline. This tetracycline or erythromycin, these tablets are giving so many people are survived from the very chronic diseases, very severe diseases from the ancient days to the modern days. So this is entire things belongs to the in this first lesson. This is about the science. In this lesson, once again, I will repeat the points wise. Thereafter, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Then I will explain one by one. So, just I can explain once again a small introduction about the science, how it is, what is their importance, and how we can justify with that. These are the half of the part of this portion starting. Then we will continue on the tomorrow. We should continue the next part and how the science will be modified and what is the some of the important experiments are there. For example, how can the seeds are growing on the potted plants and what is the atmospheric changes are reflected to the plants and so many issues are seen on the next video. Before that, I can explain about once again repeated all these things. First of all, I am explaining about the science is a organized study of knowledge which is based on the experimentation. The science is based on the first of all knowledge. The science gives the knowledge for the people. The science gives the experimentation results. All these things are reflected in this lesson. The next one is called questioning. What is meant by questioning? How it is happened? These are the one question. How the apple will be fallen from the tree to the ground? How the atmosphere is changed? How the aeroplane is entered into the air? What is the main theme is present on the aeroplane traveling on the air? All these things are belongs to the questioning. The next one is belongs to the answer, or otherwise it is called as analyzing. What is called analyzing? The analyzing means whenever the question is there, automatically it gives we have to think about this way. This is the theorem belongs to the question is there, the answer. This reason the aeroplane will be going a smooth way. So all these things analyzing means it is explained about the how and what and all these things are coming to the analyzing is the only answer. Analysis means to break down the question and we can think in our mind to give a suitable answer. Such type of process is called analyzing. Next, what is why science is important? Science is most important for all the generations. Why? If the science is not there, the human life will be miserable. There is no life in our entire humankind. Why? After whenever the development of the science, so many new things are arrived. For example, we can see the mobile phones right now. Before the previous years, we have only phones are there. Now the external phones are coming. All these things are based on the scientific development or scientific approachment. Then, what is the societal perspective? That means, what is the use of science in the present life mankind? So all these things are belongs to the first lesson is called what is science and their questioning and analyzing and uses and why science is important and what is the importance of social perspective, or then next tomorrow we can discuss about the personal perspective. Personal means how the people are going here, how the science is reflected to their personal life. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.